Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. In the healthcare sector, administrative efficiency is often at odds with data security. Traditionally, patient intake involves a clipboard, a pen, and a staff member, manually transcribing sensitive information into a digital system later that day. This manual process creates a, quote, privacy gap. Paper records get left on desks, and manual data entry is prone to errors that can compromise patient care or violate compliance standards like HIPAA or GDPR. The challenge is, how do you automate the generation of medical certificates, intake summaries, and referral letters without sacrificing security? Today I'm going to show you how to build a secure healthcare documentation engine. We are going to use SmartForm Publisher to create a workflow where a patient provides their information via a secure Google form, and the system instantly generates a locked, professional PDF filed in a restricted folder and shared only with the authorized medical staff. Let's build a system that prioritizes privacy while maximizing speed. The first step is creating our secure canvas. For healthcare, Google Docs is the industry standard because it allows us to include vital elements like confidentiality watermarks and standardized legal headers. Look at this intake summary template. It's clean, professional, and structured. Now, let's look at our markers. I'm typing patient_ID and symptoms_description. Here is the strategic advice. In healthcare, we must be extremely precise with our form questions to ensure the data that populates this doc is clinical and accurate. Notice the marker at the bottom, physician_signature. Because SmartForm Publisher supports image merging, we can have our authorized doctors upload their digital signature once, and it will be merged into every document they authorize. This ensures the document is signature ready the moment it is generated, maintaining the chain of custody for every medical record. Now we build a security logic. This is where SmartForm Publisher truly shines for compliance-heavy industries. I'm opening the sidebar and linking our template. But pay close attention to the sharing settings. In most industries, you want the respondent to get a copy of the file. In healthcare, that's often a violation. I am unchecking Share with Respondent. We don't want a link to a medical record sitting in a patient's personal, unencrypted email inbox. Instead, we are using dynamic sharing. I'm putting the marker, assigned _doctor_email, into the sharing field. This tells the add-on, generate the file, but only grant access to the specific medical professional named in the form. Next, we set our storage. We are routing these files into a specific, encrypted records folder in Google Drive. By setting the output format to PDF, we ensure the record is static and cannot be altered once the physician has approved it. We are creating a permanent, audit-ready digital paper trail. Let's watch the security logic in action. I'm the patient, and I've just finished my intake form. I hit Submit. In the background, the automation is creating the record, filing it in our restricted drive, and checking the permissions. It sees that Dr. Miller is the assigned physician, so it grants her immediate access. Look at Dr. Miller's inbox. She has the notification and the direct link. She can open the PDF, review the symptoms, and prepare for the consultation before the patient even walks into the exam room. Most importantly, if we check the patient's email, nothing. The sensitive data has stayed within our secure, managed environment. This is how you use automation to increase security, not compromise it. By building this secure documentation engine, you've done more than just save your staff 20 hours of data entry a week. You've standardized your compliance. You've ensured that every medical certificate and intake form is branded, locked, and filed in the right place, every single time. You are now free to focus on the most important part of your job, patient outcomes. If you're ready to professionalize your healthcare administration and protect your data, head over to gwaddons.com and install SmartForm Publisher today. You can find us on the Google Workspace Marketplace. Start your free trial and build the secure workflow your clinic deserves. Thank you for joining this masterclass. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dive guides on secure automation. I'll see you in the next one.